Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial in AutoCAD. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glide Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to divide a line in AutoCAD, or how to divide a circle or an arc or any other object in AutoCAD, and also we'll understand about the measure command in AutoCAD, and also we'll understand about the point style in AutoCAD. So we'll understand one by one. So I'm going to draw a line here. I will use this line command, or you can enter L on your keyboard and click once on your viewport here, and I'm going to draw a line of 10 feet. So I will enter a value 10 feet here and escape, and now you can see this is the 10 feet. You can cross check it by entering team linear command. I will make tutorial on this. So I'm going to measure this and show you this is 10 feet line. So I want to divide it in 4 equal parts. So you can go to here, this draw panel here, and you can click this, and you can see this is the divide command here, and you can understand the difference. And this is the measure command, and it creates a points, objects or block at measured interval. So there is slight difference between the two, but almost it is same. So I am going to divide this line into 4 objects. So either you can select this divide, or you can simply type in your command panel divide here, divide, enter, and after this it is asking divide, select object to divide. So I am going to select this object. This is my line command, and now after selecting, it is asking enter the number of segments or block. So I want 4 segment here, so I will enter 4 here and enter. And after this line is divided, but you are not able to see the point. That means it is in dot here. So if I will move my line here with M, you can see these small dots here. If I will zoom it, these all are point here. Our line is divided, but it's not visible to some persons with naked eyes, and also here it is not visible because this line weight is similar to this line weight. It is very micro in size, so we need to change the point style. So we need to understand how we will do this in AutoCAD, how we can change the point style. So I will Control Z this line, and our line is divided, but we are not able to visualize our point here. So you are required to type here in command panel DDP type here, enter, and after this point style will appear here. So this is the point style here. Now it is the simple point here, dot here, so it is not visible to our naked eye. So you can select some other point style here, like this plus this cross one, and generally you can select this type of nodes here. So I am going to select this one here. So I will select this, and now I will leave this default set size relative to screen, set size in absolute units. I will select this and OK. And now we are easily visualizing this point style here, and now you can see 1 2 3 4, our line is divided in 4 equal parts. So after this you can also divide your circle also. If I am going to draw a circle, and if I want to divide it, I'll simply divide it by typing divide in our command panel, or you can also select from here. So I am going to select my object, which is circle, and now it is asking number of segments. So I want to divide this into 3 parts. I will enter 3 and enter. So now we have changed our point style, so no need to change our point style. It is quite visible. So now you can see our circle is divided into 3 parts. If I am going to draw an arc here, I will type arc and I will draw an arc, and I want to divide this same in 3 equal parts or 4 equal parts. I will type divide here, enter, and I will select this object, and now it is asking enter the number of segments. So I will enter 4 here, and you can see 1 2 3 4. So it is divided into 4 equal parts. So now I am going to make you understand about this one, the measure tool. So I am going to draw another line here, and I will now go to this draw tab, and I will select this one, measure. So after selecting, it is asking select object to measure. So I want to measure this line, and I will select this, and now it is asking a specify length of segment. So I want the length this line to be divided into two equal parts. So I will enter 2 here. So you can see this is divided into two equal parts, but this point style is making this very complex here. So I will go and change my point style here, and now I will use this one, and I will press OK, and you can see this line is divided into two equal parts. So now I will show you. I will draw another line, and